Okay, Mark, hi.
Hi.
You work for Edwards?
Yes.
Tell me a little bit more about what you do.
I'm responsible for Edwards' global CAD system, computer-aided design, computer-aided manufacture, and PLM.
Excellent. So what does Edwards do? What do they do?
We manufacture vacuum pumps for the semiconductor industry, process engineering, general vacuum, and also abatement, where we can take the gases that are used in the manufacture of these things and be able to reuse them or dispose of them in a managed way.
Wow. So you're on a digital transformation journey.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about your journey and some of the key milestones maybe.
I think that a key milestone was our decision to have Dassault Solution as our primary platform to work on. So I moved companies in our business from Inventor and SolidWorks into CATIA V5 and Smart Team, and we did that in 2014. And now we're in the process of upgrading that to 3DX V6. And we started that journey last May. So we're just now moving. I've got a few more sites to do, and then it'll be everybody will be on CATIA V6 and 3DX.
Very good. And you work with Intrinsic as one of your...
Worked Intrinsic, that is our VAR. We've worked with them for many, many years. We know them extremely well, but most importantly, they know us very well. So they know what we do. We know, they support us, so they have access to our servers and are able to give us our sort of service level 2 support. Service 1 is with our IM department. Service 2, Intrinsic can sort of get involved with us, and then 3 is major problems. All of us are trying to sort that out.
What do you see as some of the bigger challenges then in terms of digital transformation for your own
I think
organization?
the biggest challenge is change management. I think the biggest problem is people, I hate to be critical, but they lack the imagination. They don't think out the box. They're so fixed in what they're familiar with, they don't see what the opportunities can be in the future. So the biggest problem is trying to make people think about, don't be frightened of the future, try and embrace it, try and develop the scope of what you do. And that's my biggest challenge.
I completely agree, completely agree. So in terms of future technology, where do you see some of the biggest opportunities?
Biggest opportunity is moving from just being a CAD platform, dealing with 3D models and drawings, to one where I can make it a full company-wide enterprise. So I can bring all the engineering in, I can bring all the manufacturing in, all the service hubs, marketing, sales. That's the idea, is to make it one platform that people just log into in the morning, and that's what they work in. They store their data so that when they're working on it, people can see if they're working on it or whether it's fixed. They're understanding, sharing just one piece of data, not duplicating data.
So in terms of data, how important has data become as an asset for your business?
I think it's becoming more and more important as we're trying to extract more from the digital environment. Whereas before, with the technology of IT you had to be very careful what you generated. You didn't want to put every nut and bolt and washer in. But now we can. We can try and get as accurate as possible. And with accuracy, we now can do proper analysis. We can work out the center of gravity, we can work out tilt, we can work out masses, we can simulate more. We can do, and we do finite element stress analysis, but we also do computational fluid dynamics. All of this can become integrated, and we are extracting live, accurate data. That's what we try to do.
Very good. Any good advice for anyone embarking on a digital transformation journey?
Make sure you work with a very good VAR, number one. Make sure that you really document what you want to achieve, what you want to have. It's so easy during the journey to sort of, because you haven't thought about it, you keep changing your mind. It's making sure that you know where you want to go and set realistic milestones.
Very good, fascinating.
Right.
Thank you, Mark.
Very nice meeting you.
Yes, same
Thank you.
here.